So hello everyone, welcome back to Sales Tracker by Tracker Suite. In today's video, we will show you how Sales Tracker integrates with platforms like Meta and IndiaMart, helping you capture leads automatically and manage them in one place. With these integrations, all your incoming leads from Meta and IndiaMart inquiries can directly flow into the Sales Tracker without any manual entry. This ensures faster response time, better lead tracking, and zero missed opportunities. Your team can instantly assign leads, follow up efficiently, and manage the entire sales process from one unified dashboard. If you are new here, we recommend you watching our previous videos available in the playlist below to get complete understanding of all sales tracker features. So before we begin, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product walkthroughs and business automation tips. Now let's get started with the sales tracker so that we can exactly show how this feature works. Right, you have to go in the sales tracker to the settings icon and simply click on the Facebook and connect Facebook account. Once we do that, right, there are instructions given basically for connecting the Meta account with this. We have to enter the secret key, app ID, and access token. Once we click on connect, so the Meta integration will be done, and then we can create a lead assignment rule for the same. So whenever the leads get captured, right, what exactly will be the rules, we can decide that. So in this form, we first of all will be select the kind of category, right, for which we are interested, running the ads as of now, right? And we can select the products here, decide an interest level on that whenever the lead gets captured, and we can select an estimated date, right? Take an example, if the lead is getting captured today, so we are expecting the closure in 15 days, so we can put an estimated closure date here. And we will be having two rules basically, right, to assign the leads from Meta ads as a single assignment rule, or we can also select the round robin technique. So in this we can select all the team members, and now whatever leads will be coming from Meta ads, that will be equally distributed among all of the team members, right, from the round robin technique. And we can select the next stage. Take an example, this is regarding the follow-up call. Whenever any lead gets captured, right, team member have to do the first call or the kind of follow-up call on that. We can decide the stage, we can decide the date as well. Once we decide the date, we can select the due time, right, for taking that action for the same. As of now, we are deciding it for 12 p.m. tomorrow, right, for today only, right? So before 30 minutes prior, team member will be getting a reminder for the same on their WhatsApp that they have to take a follow-up call on the new lead, right? And we can enter the remarks for our team member, whatever information we want to convey with the new lead. So now let's click on save. Easily the lead assignment rule have been created. So it's very simple. We can connect the Meta integration Meta account with this sales tracker tool. Now let's guide you for the IndiaMart integration. Simply click on connect IndiaMart. We have to enter the secret IndiaMart API key. Once we click on save, right, IndiaMart will be integrated with this. Now whatever inquiries are coming from IndiaMart, that will be captured here. So we will be creating a lead assignment rule for the same as in we were doing in Meta. So we will be selecting the category, selecting the products, selecting the interest level, right, as a warm. Whenever any new lead gets captured, we can decide the estimated closure date for the same, right? We can decide the kind of technique, maybe it's single assignment rule or round robin technique, and select a next stage as new lead or follow-up call or first call. Select the due date for the same, select the due time, and we can enter the remarks for the same so that we can convey it to a particular team member. Once we click on save, now the lead assignment rule have been created very easily. Leads will be captured, the kind of inquiries that whatever is coming from IndiaMart, that will also be now equally distributed among our team members. Now let's go and check the leads, right? So the data coming from IndiaMart, we can clearly check it here. So all these leads have been already assigned to our particular team members and they are actively working on those leads, right? So this is very simple. That brings us the end of today's video. We have seen how integration with Meta and IndiaMart helps you capture leads, automatically reduce manual work, and ensure that no opportunity is missed. By bringing all your leads in one system, your team can respond faster, manage follow-ups better, and convert more prospects into customers. Book a free demo using the link below to see how Sales Tracker can help you manage and convert your leads more efficiently. And do not forget to like our video and subscribe our video YouTube channel for more product updates, new features, and helpful walkthroughs from Tracker Suite. Thank you for watching us. We will see you in the next video.